maganda tong ano. Ano kang sako ba? Sako ba?
Look.
Dapat kasi Hello Kitty yan.
Dapat.
Put your nails. Push. Wait.
I know you can do it. Grabe. Ang nag-succeed. I don't know if they...
Pasado tayo sa exam.
Saw you standing there, glowing in the light. Caught my breath, taken by the sight. Your smile painted the room with grace. Hearts.
We are officially a UNICEF
baby.
ambassador.
See the light in the sky.
Hello, Cebu! Oh, ay. Gayahin mo. Tingin.
Maximum taxi.
In a city full of crowded avenues, you're the rhythm I can't refuse.
I-chat na lang si London pa. Please pakitawagan yung magasundo sa inyo dyan. Hello.
Taste.
Okay, kain na muna yan guys. Pero mo tayo makakain sa labas. If you're laying with those memories again. Just when I thought I could stand on my own. Oh babe, silently memory Silent out.
Supportive girlfriend.
Branding, creativity, and design. I hope you learn more about digital marketing concepts. Once again, good evening and thank you.
Baka katulog na kami. Oh, we're done.
Mezzo. I mezzo so much.
Ay! Ayan.
Sige.
Ilabas.
Parang ikaw pa si Kayla.
Pakita mo yung view natin, darling.
Wow! Montage? Arat?
Montage to. I-edit, bakit?
May hawak ako na straw. May
Diyan ka magmuni-muni mamayang 3 AM. Kung bakit kanya...
Aray. Aray. Mauna. Naka-heels ka ba, diba?
Ay, kasi nga nakagalit.
You got me lost in your eyes, wandering through starry skies. So connection, I can't.
Hey, you wanna know Sito? No.
Spanish natin ito.
That's your cookie.
Ang cookie ko. May mani. This donut is 8 out of 10. Why? Wala lang. Masama.
Ito ano to? Parang ano? Raspberry.
Basta something din.
Jelly syrup. Matamis.
ma-appreciate.
Alam mo sa mga gumawa? Try natin yung donut nila kasi bago daw.
Ala! Mama, ang kalat-kalat na.
Ang sarap.
Ibabag na lang. Walang may ala.
Parang maamoy-amoy na ba?
Sabi din.
Sa Taiwan? Ara!
For your life, girl! We're going. Museum is Cebu City and sabi nila bawal mag-video. Pero as a rule breaker, nag-video siya.
Chaser?
Nice art.
Hi,
But you're my favorite art.
Wait! Right way!
Right way. Chocolate na po. Ang tagal? Ay, ipuga mo yun. Malagay mo yun. Ipuga mo. Saan tayo ngayon?
Sex, Museum, Mango, Dried Mango Museum, Pro Food.
Hindi naman sa Pro Food Company.
Dried Mango Museum. Sabi, gallery.
Kasi Cebu, Mandaue.
Gallery. We are here at Mandaue City.
Good night, everyone.
Grabe ka, Zoom.
Sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all
Ang
the
fluffy
good
ng
things
ulan
and the
ko,
bad
guys.
things. Let's talk about sleep ko na kayo. Sexable.
So, as a marketing, how can you
Apply this.
apply the ano?
Ano pa, ma'am? Ha? Bumagsamasama pa. Singkat ka.
Ano singkit?
Ay, pwede po tatlo sa akin.
Kasi po birthday ko.
11 po kami magkakapit.
City lights begin to gleam as the sun melts into stream. Saxophone whispers so sweet, guiding slow and steady feet. Neon signs flicker and glow. People stroll, taking it slow. Melodies weave through the air.
Okay, dinner. What's your food?
It's chicken. Baboy.
Chicken baboy. What's inside your plate?
Kare-kare. Yellow rice.
What's inside your
Maasim na
plate?
to.
Marami iba-iba. Excuse me. You look like you're Navi.
Daw, ang double egg.
Hindi ko na.
Parang yung Lloyd, di ba?
Parang hindi lang. Welcome to I love you.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Kasalanan mo to!
Kampi na lang sa finish line!
Falling in love with you. Gonna change my love for you. You ought to know my love, how much I love.
Kita niyo yung room namin. Meron lang kami kasamang pasyente dito.
Tapos nakaganyan-ganyan pa yung kumita sa kanya. Hindi mo sa hospital, parang mental.
Hala!
Ganyan, best, ganyan. Pasok mo yung kamay mo, tapos itatali natin.
Di mo, Dana, gusto mo tumagos dyan.
Gusto mo siya kami sa Dana. Dito na kami sa cute to. Ay, cute to.
Cute to.
Dito ka na mga sama ko. Ala, atik pa ba ito?
Uy, sarap. No. Kasi... Ano?
Bakit kaya?
Happy birthday to you. Bum, 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 bum.
Go back to your room together. Let's drink a warm coffee latte. Just pretend next to you. My heart is relieved. Your voice is a pleasant melody. The gentleness that echoes in the quiet.
Later that night.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Where we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No need for either of us at this point to sleep alone. 'Cause I don't mind ending my days with you.
Hi, Valencia! Cecilia! Ay, Cecilia! Ay, Cecilia! Oh my God, Cecilia! Ang laki-laki mo!
Pag ka nalaglag,
Bili ng bago.
Thank you so much.
Doorbell lang tayo. Antayin na lang natin siya.
Every step I take seems to float, as if the ground would follow me. Eyes catch, can't help it. Smooth movement, hard to explain. It's like a spell that I leave in the air. When I dance, the world stops to watch. Without words, I am pure expression, like magic in perfect action. Move like magic, a touch of illusion.
Uy, huwag yun ang gustuhin, nakakangig. Sarap ng taga Cebuano. Tour.
Yeah, this is the last day of our trip.
We're going to Tacos later.
Ay, hindi na. I'm going to sleep na. I am so very tired.
Feel the groove in our souls. Together we'll lose control. If it feels good, let me know. I'll show you how to make it real good. Sa'yo ay magmahal. Ibig ko sana'y pagbigyan.
Initsura niya ako.
Bango?
Nakaibig siya.
Pero ayaw mo palabhan.
Sabi yun, hindi kayo tapon. Maybe I dream too much, but when I think of you, I long to feel your touch.
Ay, here! Takin ako dahil, no?
Sinisira niya ka. Ayaw mo palabhan niya.
Ano yung kuko ko?
Tapa ibang ano, sando, kanino to?
Bagay siya sa pants ko, best. I think ito na lang ang
Pa ibang rin.
Ito para sa anak kong lalaki ka siya to sa kanya.
Julia, mausog ka!
Ang laki respect mo!
Wala ko mukula dito.
Pansingan na.
Best siya lalagay.
Taktakan mo kay mangga ko! Hindi ka inaano! Talabuksan na!
Kainin na natin! Aray!
Yatin mo kami sa airport dyan mo.
No, nulos mo doon na. Nahilo ako. Mag-iaiga lang ako dito.
Grabe ka naman sa mga...
No, tignan mo kalagayan ko. Hindi mo na naisip. Nahilo-hilo na ako. Ito pala yung hindi mag-i-istrasok.
Buhatin niyo daw kung tatlo.
Ayos!
Best mo ka.
Pag-ilang pa siya.
130? Ay, 130. 130 di ba ito, kuya?
Hindi, 80.
Ay, 80 pala.
Di ba mag... Oo, di ba mag-plaka na maayos eh.
Hindi lang bubog ka. Magbaba ba kami? Magbaba na kami ah.
May kanti-shooting. Grabe ako yun. Sige, sir, kam sa amin. Kampi tayo dun, ah. Laseng, laseng. Tama ba yun? Bagsak? Dalawang bote?
And I'm gonna do all the work, just stay there and lay there, lay there. And I'ma put in the work, you deserve it, girl. I'll give you the world just to let you know that you mean more to me.
Welcome to Palawan! Welcome to Palawan!
Welcome back to the
Mag-ibap ang ganda! Ang ganda pala dito sa Palawan.
Anis?
Ano lang? Yan.
Welcome back to Palawan!
Nals, para kang matanda.
Ala, matulog na pala ako.
Kilig. So tonight I'm gonna do all the work, just stay there and lay there. And I'ma put it
Hindi nga naka-play.
you deserve it, girl.
Normal, normal!
And I'ma put in the work.
Akala ko tulog yung Tertiary, ba't ito gising?
Just to let you know that you mean more to me. So tonight I'm gonna do all the work, just stay there and lay there. And I'ma put in the work, you deserve it, girl. I'll give you the world just to let you